Sometimes love comes around and it knocks you down. Just get back up when it knocks you down, knocks you down. Sometimes love comes around and it knocks you.
I can swear, I can joke, I see what's on my mind. If I drink, if I smoke, I keep up with the guys, and you see me holding up my middle finger to the world. Fuck your ribbons and your pearls, cause I'm not just a pretty girl, I'm more than just a picture. I'm a daughter and a sister. Sometimes it's hard for me to show that I'm more than just a rumor or a song on your computer. There's more to me than people know. Some days I'm broke, some days I'm rich, some days I'm nice, some days I can be a bitch. Some days I'm strong, some days I quit. I don't let it show, but I've been through some shit. I can swear.
I'm a mess. I do my makeup in the car, pulling up 6:30 when I told you 6 o'clock. I admit I'm always about to fall apart, but you would never notice, cause I make you think I'm not. You say you know me, but you don't, but you don't, but you don't. Make it look easy, but it don't, but it don't. Looks can be deceiving, could let you see the real me. But I let you think I'm perfect, fake smiling cause it's working. Cover up my problems, you know I got 'em. I let you think I'm perfect, perfect. I'm a wreck, I get stressed out and put up walls, and I take it out on my mom like every time she calls. At my best,